Tips for choosing the perfect hotel room when traveling. Looking for the ideal hotel room during your travels? In this short YouTube clip, we've got you covered. Discover our top tips and tricks for selecting the perfect room in a new place. From location and budget considerations to amenities and local insights, we'll help you make an informed decision. Watch now and ensure a comfortable and enjoyable stay during your next adventure. Consider the hotel's location and proximity to your desired destinations. Determine your budget and select a room that fits within your financial means. Read hotel reviews to gain insights into the quality and guest experience. Check for amenities that are important to you, such as Wi-Fi, parking, or a gym. Prioritize safety and security measures in the hotel. Take advantage of loyalty programs or special offers for room upgrades or perks. Research the hotel's cancellation policy in case your plans change. Look at photos of different room types to get a visual idea of what to expect. Seek local recommendations or advice for the best hotel rooms in the area. Ensure the hotel's check-in and check-out times align with your travel schedule. Consider noise levels and opt for a quieter room if desired. Verify accessibility features if you have specific needs. Compare prices and availability across different booking platforms for the best deals. Communicate any special requests or preferences to the hotel in advance. Check if breakfast is included or if there are nearby dining options that suit your preferences. Familiarize yourself with the hotel's pet policy if traveling with a furry friend. Consider the hotel's eco-friendly initiatives if sustainability is important to you. Confirm the accepted payment methods to avoid any inconvenience at check-in. Double-check the availability of the room type you desire before making a reservation. Trust your instincts and don't hesitate to explore other options if something feels off. Remember that choosing the perfect hotel room can enhance your overall travel experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful travel tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!